This is how we at DW Floor Polishing Singapore perform a vinyl floor cleaning services. Step 1. Inspection. Our team collaborates with the owner to thoroughly assess the type and current state of flooring before beginning a meticulous deep cleaning process. Step 2. Power scrubbing. In this step, we employ the powerful Bona registered machine scrubber specifically designed for tackling even the most stubborn light stains. Step 3. Rinsing. We use targeted chemical cleaning solutions along with the Bona registered power scrubber to deep clean and eliminate dirt and grime on any type of flooring. Step 4. Coating. For vinyl flooring, our team will apply a protective coating to the floor, guarding against wear and tear. It also helps prevent dirt and bacteria from being trapped for a cleaner, more hygienic environment. Just look at the dirty water collected after our vinyl floor cleaning service. If you are looking for vinyl floor cleaning services, WhatsApp us now at 824100032.